Hi guys, I'm No.SB50C from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pink picking a solid brass Squire No.SB50C. I assume the C at the end is for closed shackled. It's a lovely looking lock. I've borrowed this from work. There's no working key with it, so when I say borrowed, a colleague of mine found it some time ago and is a newbie to lock picking, so I've been making him a few cylinders up like training locks, so he let me borrow this, and we're going to be doing a trade because I think this will look rather nice on my display. There is a bit of a twist to this, and the reason I say that is because there is actually an ABUS core inside. Not sure if you can see that. If I hold it too close to the camera it'll sort of blur it because it does not autofocus. Like I say, no working key. As you can see on that side it says solid brass. It's a lovely heavy lock as well. I've picked it a few times, but it is very temperamental. See if that's in shots. What I'm going to be doing is picking it counterclockwise as well, because it can pick both ways. I'm going to be using a Peterson half diamond. It opens quickly sometimes, as I say, and other times it takes its time. I'll start front to back. As I go through the pin stack, it can actually drop over into very small false sets. There's not fantastic feedback from this, but then it can actually drop over quite a way, and I think it's pin 3 that I've literally got to push up and literally force over the shear line, and I'm literally fighting with the tension, and as I'm pushing up on the pins I'm literally forcing my vice backwards. I'll probably gut this one afterwards, because I think it's a removable core, or it should be. Alright, so start on pin 1. And it is quite light tension on it. Looks like I'm going heavier now and again, but it is literally because of the vice. Drops over nicely there. Going to stop the vice falling over. I might be able to set it. go. Bit of a fight there. So it's actually picked open, but what I've got to do is revolve it quite the way around. I think I might be able to draw that shackle out now. I'll just pop that picking, and the shackle has actually popped out the back. So that's a Squire number SB50C closed shackled padlock single pin picks. Like I say, it's got an ABUS core. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.